Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XDC from Coinbase to Uphold in 2025. XDC, the native token of the XDC network, is a popular choice for secure and fast transactions, and moving it between exchanges like Coinbase and Uphold can help you manage your portfolio more effectively. Whether you're looking to diversify or just switch platforms, I'll walk you through this step by step in under 2 minutes. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Uphold, and that you have some XDC in your Coinbase wallet. Always double check for any updates in 2025, as crypto processes can evolve. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and find your XDC holdings. Click on the XDC asset to open its details. Next, select the Send or Withdraw option. Depending on Coinbase's interface in 2025, it might be labeled differently, so keep an eye out. Now, for Step 2, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Log into your Uphold account in a new tab, go to your XDC wallet, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into the Coinbase send form to avoid any mix-ups. Step 3. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Remember to account for network fees, which could be around 0.0001 XDC or more, depending on blockchain congestion in 2025. Double-check everything to prevent errors. Step 4. Review the transaction details. Coinbase will show you a summary, including estimated arrival time. Once you're confident, hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, based on network speed. Finally, Step 5. Head back to Uphold and refresh your wallet to confirm the XDC has arrived. If it doesn't show up, check your transaction history on both platforms or reach out to support. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from Coinbase to Uphold in 2025. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.